Today we are going to solve some of the examples of exercise 1.3 which depends on logarithmic differentiation. Now we use logarithmic differentiation if there is function raised to function form, or there is product of number of functions, or there is quotient of number of functions. This type of examples we are going to solve. Now first example is to differentiate y is equal to cube root of 4x minus 1 upon 2x plus 3 power minus 2x bracket square. Now this is the power, cube root is the power of this function. So we will write this as 4x minus 1 upon 2x plus 3 up into 5 minus 2x bracket square. Now this cube root of x, that means x to the power 1 by 3. So we'll take the power as 1 by 3. Now we can take log on both sides. We are using logarithmic differentiation. We cannot take direct differentiation over here. We have to first of all solve for y, this y given y. So taking log on both sides. For each of these examples we are taking log on both sides. Then we will simplify for y and then we will differentiate with respect to x. So taking log on both sides, we get log y is equal to log of 4x minus 1 upon 2x plus 3 into 5 minus 2x bracket square raised to 1 by 3. Now in logarithm we know the property of logarithm, log of a raised to b is equal to b into log a. So using this property we get y log y is equal to this power will be multiple of logarithm 1 by 3 log of 4x minus 1 upon 2x plus 3 into 5 minus 2x bracket square. Now in logarithm there is quotient form, a by b form. Now for logarithm of a by b we have is equal to log a minus log b, and if there is a logarithm in the form of product log of a into b, then we will write it as log a plus log b. So using these properties of logarithm we get 1 by 3 log of 4x minus 1 minus log of 2x plus 3 into 5 minus 2x bracket square. Now we will split here, log a into b will be log a plus log b. So we get 1 by 3 log 4x minus 1 minus log 2x plus 3 plus log 5 minus 2x bracket square. Now this minus sign distributes over this logarithm and we get log y is equal to 1 by 3, this is first term, log 4x minus 1 minus log, this is 2x plus 3 minus plus will be minus log of 5 minus 2x square. Now this power 2 will be coefficient by using property of logarithm. Log of a raised to b is b into log a. So we get log y is equal to 1 by 3 log of 4x minus 1 minus log of 2x plus 3 minus power 2 will be the multiplicand of logarithm 2 into log of 5 minus 2x. Now we can differentiate this y with respect to x. So differentiating with respect to x, we get derivative of log y is 1 upon y. Derivative of log x is 1 by x. we are differentiating with respect to x, so our variable is x, here variable is y, so we have to write dy by dx, derivative of this y with respect to x, and 1 by 3 constant as it is, derivative of log of 4x minus 1 is 1 upon 4x minus 1 into derivative of 4x minus 1 is 4 minus log of 2x plus 3, derivative is 1 upon 2x plus 3 into derivative of 2x plus 3, derivative of 2x is 2, derivative of 3 is 0, minus 2 into derivative of log of 5 minus 2x, it is 1 upon 5 minus 2x into derivative of 5 minus 2x, derivative of 5 is 0 and derivative of minus 2x is minus 2. So dy by dx is equal to, we have to separate dy by dx, y will be the multiplicator of this bracket, y upon 3 into 4 upon 4x minus 1 minus 2 upon 2x plus 3 minus of minus plus 2 into 4 upon 5 minus 2x. So this is our required answer. We have to replace here y and then we get the final answer. Y is 1 by 3 as it is. Y is cube root of 4x minus 1 upon 2x plus 3 into 5 minus 2x bracket square into bracket 4 upon 4x minus 1 minus 2 upon 2x plus 3 plus 4 upon 5 minus 2x, which is our required dy by dx. This is our dy by dx. Now, in this case, we have to first take log on both sides and then we'll differentiate with respect to x. By taking log, we split this bracket. We take the power first, a raised to b form, and then log of this quotient form, a by b form. Then we split this logarithm. Okay. Now we are going to solve the second example. Second example is y is equal to, second example, y is equal to x cube plus 3 raised to 3 by 2 into sin cube 2x into 2 raised to x square. Again, this is product of number of functions. So using logarithmic differentiation, first we have to take log on both sides and then distribute log in the RHS and then simplify for log 1 and then differentiate. Okay. Now, using product rule, by distributing log on both sides, we get, first of all, we have to write here taking log on both sides, taking log on both sides, we get log y is equal to log of x cube plus 3 raised to 3 by 2 into sin cube 2x, which will be written as sin 2x bracket cube into 2x square. Now, distributing log over here, we get, if there is product of number of functions, then we add logarithm. So log of x cube plus 3 raised to 3 by 2 plus log of sin 2x cube plus log of 2 raised to x square. This is splitting of logarithm. Log a into b into c will be log a plus log b plus log c. Now we will take the power as a coefficient, since log a raised to b is equal to b into log a. So using this property, we get 3 by 2 log of x cube plus 3 plus 3 log of sin 2x plus x square log x its derivative is 1 by x. So using this form over here, x cube plus 3 into derivative of x cube is 3x square using x raised to n form, n into x raised to n minus 1 plus 3 derivative of log of sine 2x. So 1 upon sine 2x into derivative of sine 2x is cos 2x into derivative of 2x is 2. So 2 cos 2x. Now x square log 2 is a constant, so log 2 remains as it is. Multiple constant remains as it is. We will differentiate the variable. Derivative of x square is 2x. So our final answer will be dy by dx is equal to y into 3 into 3 9x square upon 2 into x cube plus 3 plus 3 into 6. Cos upon sine will be cot 2x plus 2x log 2. By replacing log, we get the final answer. So, by replacing value of y, we get the answer. Y is x cube plus 3 raised to 3 by 2 into sine cube of 2x into 2 raised to x square into 9x square upon 2x cube plus 3 plus 6 cot 2x plus 2x log 2, which is our required dy by dx. This is our final answer for question number 2. Now we are going to solve question number 3 of question 1. So third question we are going to solve is y is equal to x raised to 5 tan cube 4x upon sine square 3x. Now this is quotient form of number of functions. Y is of a by b form, so we have to take first of all logarithm to split the quotient form. Log of a by b will be log a minus log b. So for simplification we will taking log on both sides. Taking log on both sides, we get log y is equal to log of x raised to 5 tan cube 4x upon sine square 3x. Now we will distribute log over this function, since log of a by b is equal to log a minus log b. So distributing log over here, we get log y is equal to log of x raised to 5 tan cube 4x minus log sine square 3x. Now here there is a product of two functions, so we will split log again. Log a into b is log a plus log b. So log x raised to 5 plus log of tan cube 4x. So this tan 4x bracket cube minus log sine square 3x. Now we will take the power using the property log a raised to b is equal to b into log a. So using this property we get 5 into log x. The power will be the coefficient of logarithm plus 3 log tan 4x minus this is sine square 3x, that is sine 3x bracket square. So power will be the coefficient 2 into log sine 3x. Now this is simplified form of y. Now we can differentiate this function with respect to x. This is log log y. I will write it here. Differentiating with respect to x. We get derivative of log y is 1 by y dy by dx is equal to 5 as it is. Derivative of log x is 1 upon x. 3 as it is. Derivative of log of tan 4x. Derivative of log of tan 4x 1 upon tan 4x into derivative of tan 4x. Derivative of tan sec square. So sec square of 4x and derivative of 4x is 4 minus 2. Derivative of log of sin 3x. Derivative of log of sin 3x is 1 upon sin 3x into derivative of sin 3x cos 3x into derivative of 3x is 3. So we get dy by dx is equal to y will be multiple. So y into 5 by x plus 3 into 4 12. This is sec square. Denominator is tan 4x. Numerator is sec square 4x. So we will write it as sec is reciprocal of cos. So 1 upon cos square 4x. And in denominator tan 4x will be sin 4x upon cos 4x. So sin 4x upon cos 4x plus 2 into 3 is 6. Cos upon sin will be cot 3x. Now we can cancel 1 times cos and write it as this will be. You can get the further simplification. Dy by dx is equal to y into 5 by x plus 12 upon cos x 1 times remains. So it will be multiplication for sin. This is sin 4x into cos 4x plus 6 cot of 3x. Now this is sin 4x into cos 4x. We know the formula for 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to sin 2 theta. So we'll take 2 here. Here there is, we can multiply and divide by 2 and 2 sin 4x into cos 4x will be 2 upon sin 2 theta. We have to double this angle. Here there is 4x. So 2 times 4x, that is 8x. And 2 upon sin 8x. 1 upon sin is cosec. So we will write it as 2 into cosec 8x. Hence dy by dx is equal to, we will write the value of y here and we get the final answer. Y is equal to x raised to 5 tan cube 4x upon sin square 3x into 5 by x plus 12 upon sin 4x cos 4x is, we have to multiply and 2, multiply and divide by 2. So 2 into 12 will be 24 into cosec 8x. Okay? Now this 1 upon sin 4x cos 4x is 2 cosec 8x. 2 into 12 will be 24 cosec 8x plus 6 cot 3x, which is our required dy by dx for third question. Now we are going to solve the fourth question. Fourth question is y is equal to x raised to tan inverse x. Now again this y is function raised to function form. So we have to take first of all log on both sides and then we will differentiate with respect to x. So taking log on both sides, we get, I have to write here, taking log on both sides. We get log y is equal to log of x raised to tan inverse x. And x raised to tan inverse x, the power will be coefficient of log. This will give tan inverse x into log x. This is your log 1. Now we can differentiate this with respect to x to get dy by dx. So differentiating with respect to x, we get derivative of log y 1 by y dy by dx is equal to derivative of tan inverse x into log x using the product rule d by dx of u into v. This u into dv by dx plus v into du by dx. So using this formula over here, first function as it is, tan inverse x as it is, derivative of log x 1 upon x plus 1 upon x. Okay, log x as it is, derivative of tan inverse x. Derivative of tan inverse x is 1 upon 1 plus x square. So dy by dx is equal to y into tan inverse x upon x plus log x as it is, log x upon 1 plus x square. So by replacing y, we will get the final answer. So y is x raised to tan inverse x. Hence dy by dx is equal to x raised to tan inverse x in bracket tan inverse x upon x plus log x upon 1 plus x square, which is our required answer. Now we are going to solve some of the questions of question number 2. Now question 2, first question is y is equal to x raised to e plus x raised to x plus e raised to x plus e raised to e. Now we will differentiate this y with respect to x. Question 2, first question. So differentiating with respect to x, we get dy by dx is equal to d by dx of x raised to e. So we can write here d by dx of x raised to n form n into x raised to n minus 1 for x raised to e, function raised to constant form. So e into x raised to e minus 1 plus, we have to simplify this x raised to x, so we will write d by dx of x raised to x. We have to simplify for x raised to x and then differentiate. E raised to x, its derivative is e raised to x. E raised to e is a constant, so its derivative is 0. Thus, so now to find this derivative, we will suppose or let x raised to x by another variable. Let it be u. Now, to differentiate this x raised to x, function raised to function form is there. So we have to take log on both sides. So taking log on both sides, we get log x raised to x is equal to log u. The power will be coefficient of log. So x into log x is equal to log u. Now we will differentiate with respect to x. This is log u is equal to x log x. So differentiating with respect to x, we get derivative of log u 1 by u into du by dx is equal to derivative of x into log x using product rule u into v form. We get x as it is, derivative of log x is 1 by x plus log x as it is, derivative of x is 1. Now here x cancels and we get du by dx is equal to this u goes to the RHS, u into 1 plus log x. Now by replacing u, we get the required derivative d by dx of u is x raised to x is equal to u is x raised to x in bracket 1 plus log x. Now we have to remember this formula always where there is derivative of x raised to x, we can replace the formula directly, that is x raised to x in bracket 1 plus log x. So we will get the by dx is equal to e into x raised to t minus 1 plus derivative of x raised to x is x raised to x in bracket 1 plus log x plus e raised to x, which is our required dy by dx. Now we are going to solve the second example. The second example is y is equal to sin x raised to tan x plus cos x raised to cot x. Now, for these type of examples, we cannot take log on both sides directly, since we have the formula log of a into b is equal to log a plus log b. So log can be distributed over the product only, but log has no formula for log of a plus b. If we take log on both sides, then we'll get log of a plus b form, which has no formula. So we'll take care here. First of all, suppose the first function as u, second one as b, and then solve both separately and then add. So let sin x raised to tan x is equal to u, cos x raised to cot x is equal to b. So our y will be u plus b. So dy by dx is equal to, when we differentiate this with respect to x, then it will be du by dx plus dv by dx. This is our equation 1. Now we have to solve u and v separately to find du by dx and dv by dx, and then we place in equation 1, we get the answer. So y is equal, u is, since u is equal to sin x raised to tan x. Now this is function raised to function form. We have to differentiate. We have to take log on both sides instead of differentiating directly. So taking log on both sides, taking log, we get log u is equal to log of sin x raised to tan x. This power will be coefficient tan x log sin x. Derivative will take differentiation, differentiating with respect to x, derivative of log u, 1 by u du by dx. This is product form, tan x into log sin x. We did the product rule over here, tan x as it is, derivative of log of sin x 1 upon sin x into derivative of sin x is cos x plus log of sin x as it is, derivative of tan x sec square x, so sec square of x. Now this u is multiplicated over here. Now this tan x is sin x by cos x, which will be get cancelled, and we get du by dx is equal to u into tan x is sin x by cos x, so sin x upon cos x, and multiplicand is cos x by sin x plus sec square x will take first sec square x into log of sin x. Now sin and cos cancels and we get du by dx as, we will replace value of u and get du by dx is equal to u is sin x raised to tan x into, here sin and cos cancels and we will get 1 plus sec square x into log of sin x. So second equation. Now equal to cos x raised to cot x. Now taking log on both sides, this is function raised to function form. So we get taking log on both sides. We get log v is equal to log of cos x raised to cot x. This power will be coefficient. We get cot x into log of cos x. Now we will differentiate with respect to x. So differentiating with respect to x, derivative of log v is 1 by v into dv by dx is equal to product rule u into v form, cot x as it is, derivative of log of cos x, derivative of log of cos x is 1 upon cos x into derivative of cos x minus sin x plus log of cos x as it is, derivative of cot x, derivative of cot is minus cos x square of x. So dv by dx is equal to v into cot x is cos x by sin x into minus sign will be in the first form. So sin x upon cos x plus this minus plus will be minus cos x square x log of cos x. Now this cos x and sin x cancel. We will replace value of v and then we will get the dv by dx. dv by dx is equal to v is cos x raised to cot x in bracket. Here there is minus sign and minus sign. Both the values are minus sign, so we will take minus as common. So minus of cos x raised to cot x 1 plus cos x square x into log of cos x. So this is our dv by dx. So Cauchy's equation 3. Now when we replace 2, 3 in equation 1, we get the final answer is dy by dx. So dy by dx is equal to, hence we get dy by dx is equal to, from equation 2 and 3, dy by dx is equal to sin x raised to tan x into 1 plus sec square x log of sin x. This is du by dx plus dv by dx. dv by dx is minus of cos x raised to cot x in bracket 1 plus cos x square x into log of cos x, which is our finally dy by dx. Now for all this time we will have to take care that we will replace first function as u, second function as v, and then we have to solve separately u and v, so that we will find du by dx and dv by dx and then add these two equations. All the examples are same here. So we are going to solve the last example. Third example. Y is equal to 10 raised to x plus x raised to 10, x raised to 10 plus x raised to 10 raised to x. Okay, for this function we cannot differentiate directly, or we cannot take log on both sides directly. We have to consider u, v and w separately and then solve u, v, w for their derivative separately and then add this three differentiation to get dy by dx. So we will consider let y is equal to u plus v plus w, and we are going to solve u, v, w separately. So dy by dx is equal to du by dx plus dv by dx plus dw by dx. Call this as equation 1. U is equal to 10 raised to x raised to x. Now we'll take log on both sides. Taking log, we get log u is equal to log of 10 raised to x, which is equal to x raised to x log 10. Log 10 is a constant, it remains as it is. Now we'll differentiate with respect to x. So differentiating with respect to x, we get derivative of log u 1 by u into du by dx. 1 by u du by dx is equal to x raised to x, its derivative is log 10 as it is. Log 10 is a constant, it remains as it is. Derivative of x raised to x, we'll take it. We have the formula x raised to x in bracket 1 plus log x. We have solved here. In first example, we have solved derivative of x raised to x. We can replace it directly here. X raised to x's derivative is 1 plus log x. Now we'll separate du by dx. So du by dx is equal to u into x raised to x log 10 1 plus log x. Now by replacing u, we get du by dx. U is 10 raised to x into x raised to x log 10 1 plus log x, which is our second equation. Now we are going to solve for v. Since v is equal to x raised to 10. Again, taking log on both sides, taking log, we get log v is equal to log of x raised to 10. So x raised to 10 will be the coefficient of log x raised to 10 into log x. Now we will differentiate with respect to x. Differentiating with respect to x, we get derivative of log v 1 by v dv by dx is equal to x raised to 10 as it is, u into v form. X raised to 10 as it is, derivative of log x is 1 by x plus log x as it is, derivative of x raised to 10 into x raised to 10 minus 1, x raised to n form. So dv by dx is equal to, v will be multiplicand, 1 times x cancels, x raised to 9 plus 10 into x raised to 9 log x. Now x raised to 9 will be common and we get v. v is x raised to 10, x raised to 9 in bracket 1 plus 10 into log x. Now this is our dv by dx. This is dv by dx. Call this as equation third. So second equation. This one is third. Now last form, w is x raised to 10 raised to x. Now again taking log on both sides, we get taking log. We get log w is equal to log of x raised to 10 raised to x. Now 10 raised to x into log x. The power will be coefficient. Now we will differentiate log w, differentiating with respect to x. Log w, derivative is 1 upon w, dw by dx is equal to 10 raised to x as it is, u into v form. 10 raised to x as it is, derivative of log x is 1 by x plus log x as it is, derivative of 10 raised to x, a raised to x form, a raised to x into log n. So 10 raised to x log 10. So dw by dx is equal to, we'll take 10 raised to x common and w will be multiplied 10 raised to x in bracket 1 by x plus log x into log 10. We'll replacing value of w is x raised to 10 raised to x raised to 10 raised to x into 10 raised to x in bracket 1 plus 1 by x plus log x into log 10. Now this is our fourth derivation dw by dx. Now replacing 2, 3 and 4. This is equation 2 du by dx. This is 3 dv by dx and 4 is dw by dx. Now replacing these three forms will get dy by dx. From 2, 3 and 4 we get. Hence from equation 2, 3 and 4 we get the final answer dy by dx is equal to 10 raised to x raised to x into x raised to x log 10 in bracket 1 plus log x plus third one x raised to 10 x raised to 9 1 plus 10 log x plus fourth one is x raised to 10 raised to x into 10 raised to x 1 by x plus log x into log 10, which is our final answer. This is dy by dx. Now in the next lecture we will discuss some of the examples of question number 3, 4 and 5. Thank you.